welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are starting a new series. I'm really excited about this. So, in Germany, it's really hard to find the exact kind of ice cream you want. They do import Ben & Jerry's. It's really expensive. So it's like 7 or 8 euros for like a little one. Like it's like this big. Anyways, it's not worth it. It's not worth the price. So just some like basic flavors that I feel like are everywhere in the US, but they're not here at all. At all. So I have discovered that most of them can start with a vanilla ice cream base, and we can add things to them to make them into the flavors we want. So I may occasionally start it with a different base, but it will always be a base that most people can find like in most places of the world. So either a chocolate ice cream base or a vanilla ice cream base, and I doubt that I will go much past that. But I'm really excited to starting with vanilla ice cream. What can we make on top of that? The first one we'll make today is one of my children's and my favorites, and that's mint chocolate chip. So we are making mint chocolate chip ice cream starting with a base of vanilla ice cream. So let's get started.
Let's go over our ingredients. We need 4.5 cups or 1 liter of vanilla ice cream. 1.5 cups or 200 grams of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon peppermint flavoring, turquoise food coloring, which is optional. Start out allowing your vanilla ice cream to sit out for an hour, or you can heat it in the microwave about a minute. You want it to be soft but not liquid. Stir your ice cream until smooth. Stir in peppermint flavoring. You can add more or less to taste, but I've found that about a teaspoon is about right. Then stir in the food coloring. I really like it with food coloring because then it matches what you can buy in the store if you ever do find it. Fold in the chocolate chips. Then you pour the mixture into the same ice cream package it came in. It depends on the ice cream, but most will still fit in. Freeze for about 2 hours. Then before the ice cream is completely frozen, make sure to stir it once because the chocolate chips can sink to the bottom, and then allow it to freeze completely, at least 4 hours. We're using a frozen bowl today because what goes better with ice cream? Isn't that lovely? It tastes very much like mint chocolate chip ice cream. I can hardly taste the vanilla undertone. It really doesn't bother me at all. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.